Siemanko, ten unboxing powstał na zlecenie firmy Honor, także będzie cały po angielsku, tak samo jak recenzja, ale nie martwcie się, bo tutaj będziecie mieli napisy po polsku, jeśli ktoś słabo zna angielski, także zaczynamy. Here we have 64 GB ROM and 4 GB RAM version. It is black color. And I already got these stickers, so let's open the box. Of course, we have a smartphone. Now, can we check what's inside? Ooh, it's really nothing. A little bit poor version. No key to SIM card. Okay. So let's check our charger, 2 amperes. Okay, we have a USB cable. Yes, it's micro USB, not USB type C. So here we have a smartphone. It is black, like I already said. So let's pull that off. It looks classic, I would say. Honor AI camera. As we go take photos, we have a fingerprint touch control, so we will see how it works. Unlock device, enable. Okay, let's look how it works. We have a fingerprint right here. Let's see. Ooh, nice vibration we got. Okay, so this is how it looks. Let's check out the camera. Next, later. Okay, we have an AI option. So this is nice, very nice, I would say. Portrait mode, night mode. We will see how it works, of course, in the full review video. More. Here's the options. Time-lapse, slow-mo, we will see. Like I said, there we have a micro USB, not USB-C. We have a jack, we have a speaker. We have a NFC, so this is cool. We have, of course, a Bluetooth. For full review, you have to wait 7 to 10, maybe days. So subscribe my channel and wait for a full review. Thank you for watching and goodbye.